Signal cutting out, streams buffering at the worst time. The problem might not be your device, it might be your cable. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm breaking down the best coaxial cables on the market, tested for signal quality, shielding, and durability, so you don't waste money on the wrong one. I've linked all of these picks in the description below with the best current prices. Tap the link, grab yours, and let's get right into it. Product 5. Nixto RG6 Coaxial Cable 6FT Gold Connector. The screen froze mid-game. The room went silent. Then the TV signal vanished like a thief at midnight. I blamed the modem, the router, even the wall. But the real villain was hiding in plain sight. A weak coax cable was sabotaging everything. So I switched to Nixto RG6 Coaxial Cable. Gold-plated F connectors locked in instantly with rock-solid grip. The included extender made setup shockingly simple. Now 4K HDR streams stay sharp and smooth. High-speed internet holds steady without random drops. Its weatherproof design laughs at rain and humidity. Indoor, outdoor, basement, rooftop, this cable handles all. The flexible black jacket rotates cleanly behind every setup. No clutter, no tangles, just clean, reliable performance. Check the product link in the description for the latest price-exclusive deals and full product details. Product 4. G-Plug RG6 Coaxial Cable 50FT Triple Shield. Many signal problems come from weak, unshielded coax cables. I help homeowners and installers choose stable, reliable connections. The G-Plug RG6 cable solves interference before it starts. Its triple shielding protects HDTV, satellite, and internet signals. That means cleaner transmission and fewer dropouts indoors. And outdoors, the waterproof PVC jacket holds up. Rubber-sealed F-type connectors resist moisture, UV, and corrosion, so your connection stays secure through changing weather. It works with TVs, modems, receivers, routers, and more. Compatible with Xfinity, Spectrum, DirecTV, Dish, and others. Choose the length that fits your setup exactly. Pre-installed connectors make installation fast, tight, and dependable. For clearer signal and lasting performance, G-Plug is a smart upgrade. Check the product link in the description for the latest price, complete features, and more. Product 3. GE RG6 Coaxial Cable 50FT, quad shielded. Tired of fuzzy channels, static, and weak signal drops? Long cable runs often mean more interference and frustration. Old connectors can loosen, corrode, and ruin picture quality. GE RG6 Quad Shield. Coax cable solves those signal problems. Its 4-layer shielding blocks interference for cleaner, steadier transmission. The solid core conductor helps maximize speed and signal strength. At 50 feet, it reaches TVs, antennas, and satellite setups. Gold-plated compression connectors offer a secure, corrosion-resistant connection. No tools needed, just screw on and connect instantly. Its 3G AirD's digital design supports sharper audio and video performance. The in-wall rated flame-retardant jacket keeps installations neat and safe. Perfect for home theaters, DVRs, cable bases, and antennas. You get fewer interruptions and a more reliable entertainment system. Check the product link in the description for full details and availability. Product 2. FAT Satellite RGX Coaxial Cable 100FT USA. Ever get fuzzy TV, dropouts, or slow modem days? I kept blaming the devices, but the cable was the issue. Then I switched to PAT Satellite's 100 feet RG6 coax cable. It's made in the USA with durable, tested materials. The 3x shielding helps block interference and signal loss. That means cleaner picture, clearer sound, and steadier internet. The anti-corrosion brass compression connectors feel solid too. They screw on easily and stay secure without hassle. I used it for my TV and cable modem setup. It worked right away, simple plug-and-play installation. The flexible black jacket also made routing super easy. Perfect for indoor or outdoor use, wherever you need it. Now my signal looks sharp, stable, and consistent every day. If you want reliable coax performance, this is a smart pick. Check the product link in the description for the latest price specifications and customer reviews. Product 1, Monster RG6 Coaxial Cable 6FT Gold Plated. Ever notice your TV signal acting up for no reason? One loose cable can turn streaming into pure annoyance. That's where Monster's 6-foot RG6 coax comes in. It supports TV, satellite, and internet modem connections. The gold-plated F pin helps keep signals stable. Built-in shielding helps block interference and static. So your picture and broadband stay cleaner, longer. The Duraflex jacket bends easily around corners and tight spaces. No fighting stiff cable during setup or rerouting. The aluminum connector housing adds extra everyday durability. Hook it up to a TV, box, or modem. You get a neat 6-foot reach without messy slack. It's a simple upgrade that makes connections feel reliable. Perfect for homeowners, cord cutters, and everyday internet users. Give Monster RG6 a try for your setup. Check the product link in the description for the latest price and complete product information. Like this video if you found it helpful, drop your questions or thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more awesome product reviews and deals.